AI can sound completely confident and still be wrong. And when it is, your name's the one on the mistake. Recently, while prepping a bite-sized bots newsletter, ChatGPT confidently produced this line. According to the U.S. Chamber's 2025 Small Business AI Report, 85% of owners using AI in finance expect positive ROI. It sounds completely legitimate, but that report, it doesn't actually exist. The tricky thing with AI is that it sounds right even when it's not. That's why we've built a simple 60-second check to help you spot those confident mistakes before they slip through. In the next 2 minutes, we'll walk through exactly how it works and the 5 red flags that tell you when to double check. Step 1. Your 30-second scan. You're simply highlighting anything that looks too specific. If you see numbers or stats that fit your point a little too perfectly, dates or timeframes tied to something recent, quotes or citations that sound unusually polished, technical details in finance, legal, or compliance topics, or recent events described as new or latest, those are your red flags. Don't overthink it. Just mark them and move on. You'll check them next. Now for the 30-second check. Copy the suspicious line, paste it into Google in quotes, or drop it into Perplexity.ai. Perplexity is great because it automatically lists its sources. If the report or quote doesn't exist, that's your answer. Cut it or replace it with something verified. If the source checks out, keep it. Either way, you've just protected your credibility in under a minute. In that same newsletter, ChatGPT invented a source, a U.S. Chamber 2025 Small Business AI report. That report doesn't exist. When we double-checked, we found the real document. The U.S. Chamber's 2025 Empowering Small Business Report, a genuine publication with related insights about how small businesses view AI's impact. So, we replaced the fabricated line with one that accurately reflects what the real report says. The fake citation is gone, the source is real, and the message stays true. Once you start noticing these patterns, you'll catch AI's confident mistakes before they ever reach your audience. Here's the framework to remember. Numbers, dates, quotes, technical claims, trends. Scan and check. 60 seconds total. AI drafts fast. You decide what's true. That's human-first AI in action. If this helped you feel more confident using AI in your business, subscribe to the Bite-Sized Bots newsletter and hit subscribe here for weekly human-first AI tips that help you move faster without losing your brand voice. Thanks for watching.